about. It'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Whoa! Hey, it's me, Blippi. Whoa, and do you see what's behind me? Yeah, a bunch of logs. Whoa! Today, I'm at the Port of Olympia in Olympia, Washington. And these logs are chopped down, exported to different countries, so then they can build houses. But Washington State is really cool because for every one tree that gets chopped down, the companies here have to plant at least 3 new trees. So I think we should explore the port. But first, I need some safety equipment. I love being safe. All right, let's go explore the port. Whoa! Do you see that? That is a crane, and it's so big. I love cranes because they can grab things from the ground and lift them really high up in the air. Yeah, really heavy things. I'm gonna go explore this crane. Whoa! Check it out. These are the crane's wheels and tires. Yeah, the tires are black, and the wheels are the color blue. Did you also notice how they're 2 wide? Yeah, 1, 2. Yeah, it's not just 1, it's 2. Hey, I have an idea. Why don't we count all of these wheels and tires? All right, I'll start over here. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 wheels and tires. But wait a second. Remember how I said they're 2 wide? Okay, so we have 8 times 2. 8 times 2. That's 16. Good job. But wait a second. We're only on one side. So it has a whole other set on the other side. So here we go. 16 times 2. That's really hard. Let's see. 16 times 2. 32 wheels and tires! Whoa! Good job! Whoa, do you see that? There's actually a worker right here. Let's go talk to him. Hello!
Hey, Blippi.
Hey, who are you?
I'm Frank.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
What do you do here?
I maintain equipment on the marine terminal, and today we're looking at the Gottwald mobile harbor crane.
Whoa, a crane? That's so cool. Can we go up?
Heck yes,
All
let's
right.
go.
Let's go, come on. Whoa, we made it.
Come on in.
Come on in. Whoa. Do you see it? Wow. Whoa. I'm gonna sit down in the chair. This is where the operator sits. Whoa. Look at how high we are. Whoa. 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 This is so cool. So we're about 90 feet in the air, roughly. That's about 30 yards or meters. Whoa! And do you see those hooks right there? They're used to grab things. This can grab anything from logs to boats to pallets to, yeah, so many things. Whoa, and come check this out. Whoa! Look at those big cables! This is the hoist room. Whoa! They're so big! Look! Ooh, and this room is the electrical room. Whoa! Look at all these! Whoa! Hey, look! There's another worker! Looks like he's just working. Hey! Cool. All right, let's get out of this place. Whoa, now we're going into the engine room. Whoa, look at how big this engine is. Frank, how big is this engine?
It's so big, it's got 12 cylinders, and it's a twin-turbo Cummins diesel.
Whoa, that is a big, powerful engine. Whoa! Look at how big that hook is! Whoa, watch out, it's swinging! Whoa, did you see how big that is? Wow. That's what they use to pick up really heavy things. Whoa, all right. Whoa, check it out. This is a massive ship. Yeah, this vessel is the vessel that they load all these logs onto. And then it goes out into the ocean and transports and delivers the logs. Whoa, hey, what does this sign say? Restricted area, authorized personnel only. That's you and I, let's go. Whoa, those are some big logs, and there's so many of them. I think you and I should count them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 10,444, 10,445, 10,446, 10,000. Oh no, I lost track. Okay, well, anywho, I think we should let all the log stackers get back to work. So we should probably get out of here, and then they'll stack some more logs on the ship. All right, see ya. Whoa, this is a small boat. Whoa, this is a medium-sized boat. Whoa, this is a big boat. And what it also has is this travel lift. This travel lift goes right over the water, drops these belts down to the water, and then it can lift up a boat. Or it could do the opposite, where it can hoist a boat, one of those parked boats over there, over the water and then drop it down. But hey, check these out. These are some massive belts. They are so strong. Actually, this thing can lift up about the weight of 7 school buses. That is so much weight. Okay, let's get out of their way so then they can lift up a boat. This is gonna be cool. Whoa! This machine is so big! Whoa! Do you see what's happening? Yeah, those belts are lowering down to the water. And then they're gonna submerge themselves in the water, and that's when the boat is gonna go on top of the belts. And then the belts will lift the boat and then transport it to the land. Do you see what they're doing? They're using these poles to pull in the boat, nice and slow, so then it doesn't ram up against the dock. Yeah, because this might not be their boat, so they have to be very nice and delicate with it. Just like when you're borrowing someone else's toy, you want to make sure that you treat that toy with a lot of respect. Whoa! Did you see how they just lifted the boat? Yeah, now it's off of the water. Now the tires are gonna roll on the concrete and then bring it back to land.
Now it's time to scrape. Whoa! Check this out. Looks like a lot of barnacles and even some seaweed growth. Whoa! That looks yummy, but not for me. Whoa! All right, nice and clean. Yeah! Well, I should probably get going now because there's a lot more boats to explore. Yeah, check it out. There's so many. Well, this is the end of this video. But if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. Good job. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!